everyone, so today we are at Thomson Nature Park. So it's one of the newest park that just opened up. So there's a few trails that I'm going to explore. One of the trail being the rambutan trail. Here there used to be a rambutan plantation. Other than that, there's also a nature conservation area for a kind of monkey called the Raffles langur. Previously there was rambutan plantation because this area used to be the Hainan village. There's a public toilet that you can use to rest, take a short break, wash up before you move on. Common question, the rambutans, if I see it, can I pluck it? Says no, because the end parts actually prevent you from actually taking the rambutans. The rambutan is for animal. If you are caught, they will slap you with probably $500 fine or something like that. Of the village. So the Hainanese people actually they stay here from about 1930 to 1980 before they actually relocate to HDB. So and this place was left here. So at the end of the Langur Trail, you actually reach this park connector, which has a one-way road over here. One thing special about this, there's actually an RAD system where they will actually detect if there's animal crossing. So once there's animal crossing, right ahead, there will be a sign indicating to the driver, to oncoming cars, that the animal crossing, so they can just slow down. Right guys, so we just finished the hike, so total is about 45 minutes to explore all the 5 routes. So here's a few tips before you actually plan a hike to Thomson Nature Park. Okay, tips number 1, pack light, because it's only going to be about 45 minutes. So you need to bring any hiking pole or whatever. The route is generally flat. There are some steep hill here and there, but then I think it should be manageable. Wear proper shoe, bring along a water bottle. There's a water cooler behind me that you can actually fill out water. So one small bottle, maybe about 500 ml should be fine. Next, probably bring sunblock if you're going in the afternoon like me. Then also remember to bring your insect repellent because there's a lot of mosquitoes inside. Number two is if you're going in the morning, it'll be slightly crowded because a lot of people will be walking around because the weather is cool. there's some animal activity in the morning. In the afternoon, however, it's lesser people because maybe of the heat, but there's also lesser animal activity. So I'm a bit disappointed I didn't get to see a lot of wildlife, didn't get to see a lot of macaques or even the langur. So maybe I will try again in the future, maybe go in the morning or slightly in the evening. Okay, tips number 3, as always, please obey the park rule. Keep the noise level down, no flash photography so you don't frighten the animal, and keep it to the trail. There's actually guidelines on the trail so you will never get lost. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd like to thank Rudy Project for the glasses. So I'll see you in the next video.